Hello friends, welcome to Shallow's Artistry. Today we are going to see how to make a miniature hanging planter using Himalaya Neem Face Wash. I have taken empty Himalaya Neem Face Wash bottles and I'm going to remove the label. I'm not going to wash it off, let the stickiness remain. Now from the cap measure 8 centimeters and poke a hole using ballpoint pen or any sharp items. Make another hole 3 centimeters below the previous hole. The material is soft enough to poke holes, so we can easily make 2 holes on either sides like this. Similarly, we have made holes on all the 5 bottles like this. Now let's color the bottles. For this, I have taken skin color fabric paint. Once the paint has dried, let's start drawing on it. Make the outline and cut open the top portion. Now I'm going to draw a girl's face on the bottle. For the minute details, I'm going to use permanent CD marker. You can also use any bold marker as well. You'll also get red color CD marker. You can use that for the lips. Here I'm using fabric paint for both lips as well as hair. Our first planter is ready. Similarly, we'll make all the other planters. The base for our planters are ready. To make it a hanging planter, I have taken 2 wires of 1 meter each. I'm going to insert it through the holes on the bottle. I have taken seashells for decoration. You can also use beads or tassels. Now our first layer is ready. Let's insert the second layer. Our first layer is the most important hanging part. Second wire is just a supporting layer and it's completely your wish to decorate it or not. I'm going to leave it plain. Now our hanging planters are ready. Let's fill it up with soil. Since the planter is miniature and can hold only minimum soil, choose highly heat resisting summer plants for these kind of planters. For this, I have chosen 3 extremely heat resisting plants that needs minimum care in the summer. Hang the planter from one pillar to the other like this. You can stretch it and make it straight or just leave it like this. Now pour some water. Let's see how to drain the excess water from this planter. The best thing about face wash is that it naturally has drain through the cap. Open it to drain. When you find the summer day to be extremely hot, you can close the cap and retain the water inside. On the first day of planting, it looks dull, but by the end of 1.5 weeks, you can see how healthy our plants look. By the end of the second week, it has started to flower too. In this summer heat, you can still grow healthy and beautiful plants with minimum soil in this miniature plants like this. Try this out. If you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.